Hello and welcome back. So here are 10 popular online teaching platforms. Please keep in mind that the popularity and features of these platforms may have changed and new platforms may have emerged since then. It's advisable to check the latest reviews and updates before choosing a platform. Before choosing a platform, consider factors such as your target audience, course content, pricing structure, and the features each platform offers. Additionally, check for any updates or new platforms that may have gained popularity in recent times. So, let's get started. Number 1, we have Udemy, a well-known platform for both instructors and students, offering a wide range of courses on various topics. Number 2, Coursera collaborates with universities and organizations to provide high-quality courses. It often includes video lectures, quizzes, and assignments. Number 3, edX. Similar to Coursera, edX partners with universities to offer online courses. It also provides a platform for course creation. Number 4, we have Skillshare. Focuses on creative skills such as design, photography, and writing. Users pay a subscription fee for unlimited access to the platform's courses. Number 5, Khan Academy, primarily known for providing free educational content. Khan Academy covers a variety of subjects from mathematics to science. Number 6, we have Teachable. Teachable allows instructors to create and sell their courses. It provides a customizable platform with features like quizzes, discussion forums, and more. Number 7, we have the popular LinkedIn Learning, formerly lynda.com, offers a vast variety library of courses, primarily focused on professional development and business-related topics. Number 8, we have WizIQ, provides a virtual classroom platform for educators to conduct live classes, share content, and interact with students in real time. Number 9, we have Thinkific, a platform that enables users to create, market, and sell online courses. It offers features like multimedia content, quizzes, and discussion forums. Number 10, Pluralsight concentrates on technology-related courses, offering a variety of topics in software development, IT, and creative professions. So that was the 10 teaching platforms for online. I hope that's helped. Let me know in the comment section which one you like and which one you plan on using or you have used before. Would love to hear from you. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye for now.